PS3 has like buttons that don't work. So this PS3, I took the top cover off. These buttons wouldn't work, and what happens is, so here, this casing, there are those metal parts, and then right here, there are two metal parts, and those two metal parts are supposed to touch with these two metal parts. And so, if you take it apart like this, you like change something if you touch these, and look. So it's an easy fix that I've found. I'm just gonna turn this off. No, turn off. There we go. So an easy fix. First I'm gonna turn the power switch off. Then I'm gonna carefully pry these up a little bit. Carefully, because they're sharp. At least mine are. And so now, turn it back on. Now if I put the top casing on, screw it in and everything, should work. Because when I screw in the screws and snap in all the snaps, and it should work just fine. My PS3 only has 4 screws because it's built out of 2 PS3s that were hacked together and then rebuilt. Because one of them was missing parts. One of them had a broken HDMI thing, so I spent all day today just doing that. Okay, so now, see? Easy as that. Well, I guess it's not really easy. Be quiet. Okay, so if it's not really, I guess, that easy, it's more like hard. But if you want your buttons to work, then you gotta take it apart. At least it's for the fat PS3. This one's slightly modified. It has a disk drive from a newer PS3, and instead of a 20 gig drive, it has a 40 gig drive or hard drive. So it's slightly modified, but that's how it works for this one. So thank for watching.